So this is the concentration number 7 DPS, and this is going to be cooking in Ethiopia. So here's a sketch, basically a thumbnail sketch for the piece itself. It's going to be done with acrylic paint, and in contrast to my other pieces that were done in acrylic paint, it will be done in color. So some goals that I have for this piece are just to show the contrasting differences that we see in different countries when you're cooking. And then for this picture in particular, it's actually my interpretation of a photograph that I found of a girl cooking for a tribe ceremony, the Karayu tribe in Ethiopia, but it's just supposed to display some traditional cooking there. And then technically I'm working on still value range and just working on tone and just, I guess, still creating illusion of depth in some aspects, I suppose. And then for more technique, I guess I want to pay more attention to details, and then specifically pay attention to the figure and proportions, etc. On this side, I just have some extra planning. I just have some color palettes in the corner that I have been working on. I just looked at the photograph and basically pulled up some colors and did some mixing and found some colors that I thought were pretty similar, and just played with some values in different shades of red specifically. So there's some specific pieces that I tried to practice or imitate the work that I would be doing. So I just have a head wrap of a girl, and then there's some pans in the background or cooking surfaces that we see in the photograph. So I just kind of laid out some color just to see how the certain colors that I picked would mesh together. So I have those two, and then kind of just laid out some more color for the clothes, and then I just practiced finding some colors. So this would probably be most likely the skin tone that I was going for. I tried this first and then it was too light, so I decided to remix that. And I'll probably be using this color palette a lot for reference when I'm actually doing the piece. So there we have it, thumbnail sketch, some goals and objectives for the piece itself, and some planning and color choice.